In this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating an expense inside of CrewCost. You can do this by clicking New, Expense. This will bring up a blank expense. We're going to start by uploading a receipt from Home Depot and then typing in the vendor, the job, and the transaction date and posting period. Now the From account is going to be the account used to pay for the item. And the Item account is going to be the expense type. In this example, direct material cost. And we're going to code this to 03 concrete. We're going to type in the amount, $114.54. And you'll notice that the remaining budget, there's $1,000 left on the project budget for that cost code and cost type. And after the $114 hits the budget, we'll have $885 remaining. Below that, we can leave a note, and you can see the list of approvers. So James, the project manager, is going to approve the expense first, followed by Amber in finance, and we can add an additional approver if it makes sense. I'm going to click Save, and if we go over to Accounts Payables, Expenses, we'll see that this expense is at the top of the queue, waiting to be approved. In our next video, we'll walk through how to set up the approval process.